Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I have a new release from LTL Printhouse. This is part of their Summer Magic collection. This one is super adorable. If you love Disney, this is perfection. So I'm going to show you all of the stickers that are releasing, all the new stickers that are releasing today. And then I'm going to do a plan with me featuring these stickers. And I will have LTL Printhouse's Etsy shop linked down in the description. If you're interested in purchasing, I do have a code too if you want to use that code to get a little bit off of your order. So here are the sticker sheets. We have this first one right here, a nice little packing list. I really like this summer sticker because it looks like the Disneyland, like there's like a Disneyland logo with that, which is really cute. And then we have this fun quote, "Meet me on Main Street," with the balloons. Super adorable. I love this sheet right here, the decorative sheet with the popcorn, the cotton candy cart, the Mickey ears, Dole Whip, and then the little sparkle and stars. We have some balloons, some ears, more of the sparkles, bubbles. I always love the bubbles. The kids playing with the bubbles. So cute. And then we have some awashi, some balloons. This one's like a little like valance. And then some stripes, best day ever. We have some Mickey and Minnie apples and donuts. And then the food. This would be perfect to make like a little food list, because that's when I go to Disney, it's about the food when we go. So we like to have lists for all the new things. There's always something new when we go that we want to try out. So here's the food ones. And then we have some more. Oh, I love this little canopy over the boxes. That's a cute look. Park hop till you drop, best day ever, my happy place, sunshine and magic. Then we got some to do and to buy stickers. And then just some colorful boxes here. And then some quotes. Popcorn and pixie dust, magic in every bite, happiest snacks on earth, magical churro moments. And then you have some of the like, to-dos that you can do there. Snack list, park merch, must-do rides, transportation, characters to meet, and hotel info. All right, so those are all the sticker sheets that are releasing today. Again, if you're interested, it'll be linked down in the description to their Etsy shop. And definitely check out their other collections. They got really pretty designs. Now what I'm going to do is just do a plan with me featuring these stickers. So I just have some vertical sheets here. And I feel like I should do the packing list over here, because I always need a good packing list. Even though I don't spend the night there, like there's things that I want to make sure I take in my backpack with me when I go. Things I normally don't carry. Like I like to take, I have this like container with all the like Tums and Advil and things like that, because you know, we sometimes need that when we're there. And like, you know, my brother-in-law will sometimes ask if I have something, and then I could just pop out that thing and, you know, give him one. But last time I went, I forgot it. So that, yeah, that's not good. And then, or like my, charger. Definitely don't want to forget my portable charger, because that's super important. I'm going to put this little wish list over here. And then I'm going to put a circle with it, because I like that little combo. So I can put some little stars around it, maybe. Like so. Oh, and then maybe a little, let's get something Mickey. We can do, I like this one that's already like eaten. There's like a little bite off of it. Adorable. Okay, I'm gonna put some of this washi down. We have this stripe one here. I'm gonna stick down here. I'm actually going to Disney this week, so yeah. Have a Disney weekend coming up. I love this little cart, so we're gonna put this little cotton candy cart over here in the corner. How cute. Oh, this summer is cute too. Let's just put this here. Summer. I have to make summer a little bit more exciting for me because I don't like summer. because of it gets humid here and just, yeah, it's like gross. I don't like it. So I need to make it a little bit more like fun, I guess. I'll put some bubbles. Yeah, I put this quick. Let me fix that. These stickers are so cute. Actually, it looks better layered on top of the bubble. I think that's straight. It's kind of straight. Let's put a little, let's do a donut. I just realized the bubbles are like kind of, this one looked like a Mickey head. It's cute. All right, and then we'll do like a little box. Let's do green. I haven't done green. How adorable. Okay, and then we can do, oh, I should do a quote. I'll probably do a quote on this side. I'll remember to do a quote on this side. Okay, and then over here, we'll do this little canopy box. A little park hop till you drop. That's super adorable. Let's do it a little bit higher over here. Let's do a Mickey pretzel. I love all the food items. Do some little sprinkle bits. We got some churros. Those are cute. I really want to add in these too. These like Mickey heads. Okay, which quote am I going to use? Let's do... Happiest snacks on earth. I kind of want to put this one here actually. Happiest snacks on earth. Ooh, I could do it. Mickey head. Cute. Oh, and then I have these little like circle stickers. We'll do it today. And let me grab another box. Let's do pink for over here with the to-do. Let me get a Mickey. Where did it go? Oh, here it is. I really like the Mickey apple. I'm a huge Mickey fan, so love Mickey. Okay, now I need some sparkle bits over here on this side. Make it more magical. Also need some balloons. So maybe I can stick this whole thing like kind of that way. That's cute. I also need some washi. So I'm thinking we'll just do this best day ever over here on this side. So yeah, these sticker sheets definitely have everything you need to make a very cohesive spread, which I really appreciate because, you know, you need the boxes, you need, oh, the popcorn. And you need like the decorative bits, you need, sorry, I'm getting distracted. You need, yeah, you need all those things. So, the boxes, the decorative, the headers, all those things to, I feel like those are all necessary for a spread. So this one's got you covered. Quotes, I really like, at least add like a little quote here or there, which is nice. I just do a couple more stickers. I feel like I should have put a circle sticker, but I didn't. I don't think I have enough space for a circle sticker, so that's okay. But let's do, I feel like I need yellow on this side, so we're just gonna put a yellow sticker here. And then I need some of these little sprinkle bits over here too. Oops, didn't mean to put it there. I'll just stick it there. No, actually no, I don't like it there. Okay. What else do I got? Oh, I got a cute little ice cream. I put the donuts. I'm thinking I'm gonna take this little donut off and I'm just gonna put these big donuts because I really like the big donuts. We'll just kind of put them coming off the page a little bit. That's fine. Maybe just add a little one over here. Okay, I think that's a pretty cute spread. Maybe one more box. Put some more like sparkles around this spread a little bit, because those are fun. Put some down here because I feel like it's kind of empty down here. So let's do some here. Okay, that's super cute. Love that. And then, oh, you know, I have these like little circle stickers. Just gonna add one here. Okay. That is it. How cute is that? And I still have a bunch of stickers left over to continue on with this fun theme. But again, these are going to be available today to purchase. Oh, I feel like I need a little bit more. Sorry, I just noticed. I want a little bit more. Oh, I always do that. I always think a spread's done and then I'm like, wait a minute. Let me just have this coming off the page a little bit more. Like it's dropping. I don't know. We're going with it. We're going with it. Okay. But yeah, these are available to purchase now if you're interested. We link down in my description. Again, I'll have that code, but definitely check it out. Super cute. I love it, especially if you're going to Disney anytime soon. These are really adorable, unique stickers because they do create their own artwork. So these are unique to their site, so definitely check it out. I hope you all enjoyed watching me create this cute spread. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see more, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video.